If your videos are not getting the views you hoped for here on YouTube, or maybe your subscriber count is not just moving, then this video is actually for you. Today I'm going to walk you through a complete game plan that is working in 2025 to grow your YouTube channel, guys. Even if you're just starting from zero, this is really going to be helpful. Okay, this isn't theory, guys. These are the exact steps that creators are using to grow from small channels to thousands of subscribers. So you would want to listen to this. Okay, let's just get right into it now. The first thing is that you're not growing because you are not focused. Okay, one of the biggest reasons people don't grow on YouTube is because they are making random content, like random videos every day. Today is a vlog video, the next day is a makeup review, and the other day is probably a video about their dog's birthday or just something different. Do you understand? That's not a channel, guys. That's like a video diary. And YouTube doesn't know who to recommend your videos to when you keep doing all of that, guys. Now, here's what to do instead. Pick a niche, okay? Ask yourself, who do I want to help or entertain? Do you understand? What kind of content can I make 50 videos about? Once you're able to answer all these questions, your channel becomes a resource, not just a collection of clips as in video clips. Now, the bonus tip is that you should create a channel tagline. Okay, something like, let's say for instance, simple tech reviews for beginners, fitness tips for busy moms, how to grow on YouTube without getting burned out, and all of that. The reason why you have to do this is because this gives you content clarity, guys, and people will know why they should subscribe to your channel and stick around. Okay, now the next thing is that your titles and thumbnails are costing you views, guys. You can make the best video ever, like the very best video ever, but if nobody's clicking on it, it doesn't matter anymore. It's just as nothing, because 90% of your success on YouTube depends on your title and your thumbnails. I overemphasize on this because it's very important. Okay, I work so hard to create my thumbnails, and to be honest, I even feel they are not well enough at some point, though their click-through rate is looking good. But I believe I can still do better. So I'm still learning that. And I think you should also focus on that. Let that be something you want to do and get really good at. Do you understand me? Your titles, your thumbnails, these are the like 90% YouTube success. They are responsible for it. Make them specific and benefit driven, guys. It's very important. Now I'm going to give you an instance of a bad title. Okay, let's say, example, how I edit. That's a plain title. That's all. There's no information there. That's like a bad title. A good title could actually sound like, let's say, how I edit my YouTube videos in 10 minutes. And then you can add in bracket, fast and easy. Are you seeing the difference in both of them? This second one is a better title because it has more information, way more than the first one, which is just plain. Do you understand? Be factual in your titles. It's very important. Add keywords to it. Let your titles give your video away so that people will want to watch it. Do you understand me? You can use power words like secret of how I did my videos. You can use mistakes, how to, without, in 5 minutes, don't do this. These are words that you can actually add to your titles. You can just say mistakes I experienced while editing my YouTube videos. Common mistakes I experienced while editing my YouTube videos. Do you understand what I'm saying? You can say how to edit YouTube videos correctly. These are keywords. These are searchable titles that will drag people back to your channel. So you can as well use a title like, don't edit another video without watching this video first. People want to know why you said so. Like, what makes you think I shouldn't edit another video after watching your own, until I watch your own first? So this curiosity driven titles is very important. Now for the thumbnails, use faces with emotions, guys. Emotions that are relating to what your title or your thumbnail is talking about. Do you understand? You can add contrast and bold text. It's very important. Use bold text that people can read. Don't let people start straining their eyes just to see your thumbnails. Your thumbnail should be seeing people even before people start seeing them. You understand? Your thumbnail should be like a packaging that actually showcase you first. So use bold text to write your thumbnails. You have to use arrows, use circles if you have to, just to spark curiosity. Do you understand? Now, the pro tip here is, before uploading, ask yourself, will I click this? If I was a viewer, will I watch this video? If not, then please don't pause that video yet, okay? Get back to work. All right, get back to work and create another thumbnail. Change the title if you have to. Now, the next thing is that the first 30 seconds of your videos matters a lot. Okay, watch time is king, guys. Whether you like it or not, on YouTube, watch time is king, and people judge its book by its cover. Here on YouTube, your book is your title, your thumbnail, and then your first 30 seconds of your video, and your description as well. So that's your book, and people judge book by its cover on YouTube. If it's not interesting enough, they will click off. Do you understand me? Watch time is king, and the first 30 seconds of your video actually decides whether people should stay or not. Guys, here is what not to do. Okay, the first thing can be, for instance, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That should not be your first words in starting your video. Most people will not add long introductions with music and logos to their videos. It's not. There was a subscriber of mine that told me she wasn't getting views, and then I went to her channel to do review, and I observed that for the first 30 seconds, all she used was music intro, long introduction with pictures and all of that. And so that to cut off that introduction, she can actually add it in the middle. It's not as if it's bad, you understand? But that beginning, you can actually add, go straight to the point. Do you understand me? Just to retain viewers at that first 30 seconds. Now, here's what to do instead. Start with a hook that gives people reasons to keep watching. Do you understand? Some interesting parts of your video, maybe a very interesting part of your video, you can actually use that one to start. Maybe like just a snippet of 30 seconds, you can put it in the beginning. And then you can now go back to how it all started. I'm sure you must have watched it in people's video when they will show you the interesting part first. Mama, remove your hand. They will show you 30 seconds of interesting part first and now go back to how it started. But then they've already retained you. Now, let me give you an example of a hook. You can start with a hook that keeps people watching. Example can be like, if your YouTube channel is not growing, here are 3 things that are probably holding you back. Are you seeing that hook? Yes, that first 30 seconds, you're already giving them preview of what is coming, and the goal is to get them to watch past the first minute. Because trust me, the longer people watches, the more YouTube pushes your videos. Do you understand? Now that aside, the next thing is that consistency beats viral. We all want a viral video. Yes, that's absolutely our aim on YouTube. But growth comes from being consistently helpful or entertaining to your audience and not just chasing the views. So guys, in order for you to be consistent, pick a schedule that you can stick to. A video a day, a video a week, a video in 2 weeks. Just pick a schedule that you can actually stick to in order for you to stay consistent. Anyone that works for you, okay? Now, here is how to stay consistent without burning out. The first thing is to batch your content. You can record 2 to 3 videos in one session. For me, I do record up to 6 videos in one section, because I script down before that particular day. Do you understand? So choose the one that best work for you according to how you can do it. Now, the next thing is to plan your videos. Know your titles before you hit record, so that you will understand how to actually talk about that particular topic or title. Do you understand me? Because you already have a title in your head, so you know exactly what to say regarding that particular title. Now, the last thing is to create repeatable formats, like 3 tips on Tuesday, question and answers on Fridays. Just have a format of upload. This will help your subscribers know what is coming for them. Do you understand? They will know what to expect from your channel. Now, remember, people don't subscribe to videos, they subscribe to values. I'll say that again. People don't subscribe to videos, but rather they subscribe to value. So if you are consistently giving out values from your videos, subscribers will come on their own, guys. Now, the next reason why you're not getting views or growing on YouTube is call to action. But make it about them this time, okay? These are actually learned along the line, not so early. I'm sure a lot of subscribers has heard this or a lot of other viewers have heard these call to actions in a million times and even more. Don't forget to like and subscribe. They've heard it in almost all of the videos. And sincerely, that line doesn't work anymore. That I've come to realize, and I want you to realize quicker than I did. So unless you give people a reason, that's when they will actually value that line. So what you're going to do is to try this instead. You can say something like, if you have learned this today, you can hit the subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. Or you can say, if you are trying to grow your channel like I am, let's do this together. Subscribe and let's go. Do you understand? Make it about their benefits, not your ego. Because the truth is that it's actually about your subscribers and not about you. And don't be afraid to ask, because most viewers actually forget to subscribe unless you remind them. So that's why you need to ask, because a lot of viewers want to subscribe, but eventually they can forget after watching a video. But when you remind them with a call to action, they will definitely subscribe after watching your videos. Now, another point is that your first 100 videos are practice. Yes, let's be real. your first few videos, they are probably not going to blow up, and that's okay. That's really okay, guys. Don't beat yourself up. Everybody's not the same, because your first 100 videos are training. They are training grants for you to become a professional. A professional you desire so much. You are learning. You're learning how to speak on camera. You're learning how to edit, how to title your videos, what your audience wants. You're just basically learning, guys. So don't stress if it's low at first. You're not behind. You're in the learning phase, guys. You should be proud of yourself. I'm proud of you guys. So just keep thinking of how to improve in every video. And lastly, engage, guys. Like really engage like crazy. If you want people to show your, if you want YouTube to show your content to more people, then engage, please, like re-engagement. How do you engage? By responding to every comment on your channel. Most YouTubers, they don't respond to their comments. This is really serious. When you drop a comment on big creators channel, you will see them giving it a love, a like, and even replying you as fast as possible. But when you drop a comment on new YouTubers that say they want to grow, most of them are not even online. They don't even reply you until about 4 days, and some never reply. So please don't make that mistake. Respond to every comment, okay? Ask questions in your videos. Questions like, what do you think about this? Have you tried this before? Let me know what you think about this. So guys, let me know what you think about this video, okay? If you find it helpful, let me know in the comment section. So please comment on other new YouTubers videos, okay? Comment on their videos. Don't go and be doing clickbait. Let them just feel the support and the love you are showing to them, okay? And they will come back and they will support you too, because you know why? YouTube favors creators who build community, and that is why you need to respond and engage to every comment, guys. And guess what? The comment section is content too, because you can actually use the feedback you get from comment section to make better videos. Do you understand? And when you use feedback from comment section, you make better videos that your subscribers or your audience actually want. Do you understand me? This is it, guys. You keep your audience engaged. Now let's wrap this up. To get more views and subscribers on YouTube in 2025, please, the first thing is to focus on your niche. The second is to craft clickable top titles and thumbnails. The third is to hook viewers fast. And then the fourth thing I said is to stay consistent with value. The fifth is to ask for subscribers smartly, okay? Now the sixth thing I said was treat your first videos as practice. I said treat your first videos as practice. And lastly, I said engage like it matters, because sincerely, it actually matters. Now drop a comment and let me know what your channel is about. I would love to support you. And if you are serious about growing your channel, subscribe right now, because we are just getting started, guys. This is just the beginning. So thank you all for watching. My name is Joy, if you are new here, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.